Alright, today I'm gonna try to pick this little American lock. Not sure of the model, but it's U.S. marked. It's not guttable, as you can see down there in the shackle hole. Here's what the key looks like. And when I saw this, when I first saw this key, when I got this lock, you know, I thought the first 3 pins here were going to be 0 lift, and they're close to 0 lift, but you do have to pick them. You got to nudge all 3 of them up. In fact, the last 2 pins, 4 and 5 in here, won't even bind until the first 3 get picked. So let's see if we can make this happen. There's 1, 2, come on, 3. There's 3. 2 fell back down. But now I got a little bit of movement on the core. There we go. Now 5 is binding. There's 5. There's 4. Yeah, it definitely has at least serrated pins. There might be a spool in there, it's hard to say. It might just be on one of these deep cut chambers where it doesn't really come into play, because it gives you a little tiny bit of a false set, but not very much. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.